Hello folks, I have a 4-pack 2010, last year's Topps Chrome Hobby football break, and another jumbo of this year's football. And I also have a retail blaster box, Topps Chrome, this year's football break. Picked it up on the cheap. I opened up 2 packs of the 2010 Topps Chrome at the shop, and I got a Sam Bradford rookie, and I'm a Jet fan, John Connor, the Terminator, gold refractor rookie card, number 20 of 50. Very nice. Boy, if that was the Bradford, that would be a $250. Oh well. Wah, wah. All right, so I'll open up the 4 packs of Topps Chrome 2010 first. Hobby. CJ Spiller rookie card. I gotta look and see if some of these are short prints too. Jonathan Stewart, Jonathan Dwyer, Gridiron Lineage, Jamal Charles, and Orion Grant. Nothing out of that pack. Come on, Mojo Auto. Sean Weatherspoon, Falcons rookie. Demarius Thomas, one of those Bowman Chrome rookie inserts. Clinton Portis, and a Chad Jones, Giants rookie. Alright. Tony Pike, rookie. Refractor Chris Johnson. A beanie. And a Matt Forte. Boy, not a whole lot of, huh? Okay. Winslow. Brandon Spikes, refractor rookie card, Patriots. Derek Morgan, rookie. And a Taylor Mays, rookie. That's it for the 2010 Topps Chrome. A couple good refractors. Chris Johnson, Brandon Spikes. So out of that, CJ Spiller rookie. I'll have to look and see if that's a short print. And the Bradford and the John Connor gold refractor. So, oh well. It was a fresh box, so I'll have to drab out of that box for a while, you know. Okay, how about the Fat Pack? 2011. Come on, man, give me something. Okay. I won't go through all of them, you know. Jacobs, Landry, Clemens, Deion Branch, Upside Down Todd Heap, Tom Brady, David Harris, Steve Smith, Tony Romo, Baltimore Ravens, Owen Daniels. Then we start getting to the rookies here. Greg McElroy, Jets rookie. Brooks Reed, Upside Down Ricky Stanzi, Alex Green, Jabal Shiard, Johnny White, a gold Asante Samuel, Chris Johnson, Top Town, Joe Montana, Super Bowl Legends, Faces of the Franchise, Roddy White, Julio Jones. Insert Game Day, Adrian Peterson, Super Bowl Legends giveaway. Boy, another dud pack with tops. How many fat packs is that dud-wise, right? Julio Jones mini. Wow. Jeremy Shockey. Maybe I'll get a short print here at the end. Dun, 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 dun. Marshawn Lynch. Matt Ryan. Sam Bradford. Jacoby Jones. I don't think I see any of the guys on the short print list. Jordan Cameron rookie, Aaron Williams rookie, Jaquez Rogers, Falcons rookie, Shane Vereen. That might be a short print. I'll have to look that up. I think it might be. Huh. If so, it'd be like a $20, $30 one. And a Taiwan Jones. Wah, wah, wah. So nothing on 5 packs of tops. Except for the gold refractor, John Connor. Alright. Let's hope I do better with the retail, right? Sheesh. I took the plastic off already. It's a pain in the butt to open. That's it. Refractor odds on these are the same as hobby, even though it's retail. The only difference is you're going to get an autograph out of the hobby packs. Probably won't get one with the retail, but what the heck? Let me open. Maybe I'll get somebody good, like I don't know, Jake Locker, Cam Newton. None of the Jet rookies are doing very well, so maybe I'll get somebody good. Mikel LaSure. An X-Fractor. Vincent Jackson. Tony Gonzalez. And a Steve Johnson. Maybe I'll get a short print. Who knows? Ooh, Blaine Gabbert rookie card. Curtis Brown, Steelers, rookie. Ryan Williams, Bowman, rookie insert, Cardinals. And boy, that's a weird cut. Drew Brees. Look at that tiny little cut up top and big fat cut on the bottom. That's a miscut. Miscut Drew Brees. Alright. Darrell Scott, Giants rookie. Virgil Green, Denver Broncos refractor rookie. That's pretty cool. A Colin Kaepernick die cut, superlative rookie die cut. And an Ed Reed. Nothing special so far. Lance Kendricks, Rams rookie. Mike Pouncey rookie. Vincent Brown rookie. He's good. X-Fractor. And a Matthew Stafford. Danny Watkins, Eagles. Delani Carter, finest freshman. I'll throw that with my Delani Carter stuff. Not numbered. Troy Polamalu and a Joseph Adai. Come on, man. Somebody good. Best rookie I've gotten so far, I think, is Gabbert. Quentin Carter, Broncos rookie. Alright, that's cool. DeMarco Murray. That's nice. Jimmy Graham, refractor, Saints. Too bad it wasn't a refractor DeMarco Murray. Steven Jackson. Never is, right? Alright. 2 packs left. Anthony Costanzo. Rookie. X-Fractor Aaron Rodgers. That's nice. Roddy White. And another Jimmy Graham. Hate when you get the same guy. 2 packs in a row. Last pack. Come on, Mojo. Give me something. Austin Pettis. Colin Kaepernick, rookie. A John Baldwin, rookie recognition. And a Deion Branch. Wah, wah, wah. Wow. So, 8 dud packs of tops. See, you don't always get the good hits. And Aaron Rodgers. X-Fractor. John Baldwin. DeMarco Murray. Of course, I'll have to look and see if some of these are short prints. I don't know. Talani Carter, finest freshman. The Vincent Brown, rookie. X-Fractor. That's nice. Kaepernick. Virgil Green, refractor. Haven't heard of him. Oh, the Blaine Gabbert. Ryan Williams, Bowman Chrome. The miscut, Drew Brees. The Mikel LeSure. Vincent Jackson. So I got the 2 Vincents, X-Fractors, for the Chargers. Alright. Well, that's it. That's my, geez, I don't know, 8-9 pack break of tops. Wah, wah, wah. Have a good day, people. I'll put up the Aaron Rodgers.